Hello my dolls, you're welcome back to my channel. But if you're dropping by for the very first time, hello darling, how are you doing today? You are welcome to my channel. So my dolls, in today's video I want to show you all how I transformed this my very old wig. Guys, this wig is over 2 years old. I got the bundles from AliExpress and honestly I got fed up with it. So an idea came up for me to just change the color, and that was the best decision ever. So you guys, what I'm doing now is I'm just pinning the hair or the wig down to this head, after which I'll go ahead to section the hair. I'm not sectioning it off for any reason in particular. It's just going to make application easier. Now the dye I'm using is this one from L'Oreal, and it's called the Hicolor for dark hair only hair dye, and this is in the color magenta. Okay, magenta. I bought 3 boxes of this, and I'm going to use the 40 volume developer. I think you can use any developer of your choice, but I just got 40 volume. And of course you need a bowl and you need this brush. I picked up the dyes from Amazon. Okay, so I'm just going to empty the dye into this plastic bowl, and I'm going to use the entire 3 of them. And to that I'm going to use 250 ml of that developer. Okay, that's just the only things I'm going to mix. 250 ml developer or 6 ounces developer plus 3 packs of the magenta hair dye. Okay, now if your hair is very full, I would advise you go for more than 3 packs, because this hair is very full, and if I really wanted the burgundy to be really bright, then more than 3 bundles should have been better for that. So now this is the mixture I got. You see, it's not too watery, it's not too thick. So I'll just go ahead and apply this directly onto the wig. No special procedure, no special method, no special nothing. I'm just going to apply it. So, and you can see I was trying to use the brush initially, but I'm on a long thing with that. So I just dropped the brush and used my fingers to apply it. All I did was I stayed away from the root because I wanted my root to still be black. So I just went ahead to apply the dye all over the hair, nothing special. Okay, so after I got done with that, because I shot this video at night, I was just so tired, so I tied up the wig in a plastic bag. I just left it somewhere. Next morning I woke up and washed up the wig with shampoo and conditioner, and that was everything I did. You're going to see the final result. So don't forget, I picked up these dyes from Amazon. If you want your hair to be brighter, I would advise you go for more than 3 packs of dye, or what you can also do is add a pack of red. Okay, I've seen people that add a pack of red. It makes the color much more brighter, but because I just wanted this very nice color, that was why I went with that. So this is the color I usually use to curl my hair, and here, so all I did was I washed it, dried it, and I trimmed off the ends, after which I just curled it with this coiler, and yash. I have a video on this look, so do well to check it out, because girl, the look of the sludge. So my dolls, that's basically it for this video. Don't forget, the link to this look baby, is in my description box. Do well to check out how I created that cute makeup, and I'll see you all in my next one, God willing. Stay blessed, guys.